Okay, in today's video, we're going to discuss a tool that hacks Facebook accounts. Of course, this video is for educational purposes only, not for encouraging hacking. We disclaim any responsibility for any misuse of this tool. We use it. Okay, let's get started. How does our tool work? The tool is written in Python and developed by us. All you have to do is type iPhone and press enter. This way, the tool worked for me. All it requires is two things: the email address you want to use to hack or guess your password, and a password list. You can download it from Google, download it from anywhere, or install it. You can then place it inside For the sake of etiquette, let's try it on our private email, which we use for education, right? So we'll type in 12. We'll type in our password, password.txt, and press enter. Then, we'll choose a browser type. It will open as you can see. Facebook is here, and it will start bringing you the message you see. I swear, we're going to start guessing this email address. I'll tell it to guess the password. As you can see, it starts typing in the email and password I gave it, and it starts trying out all the available passwords. Yes, and the password, the list file, which is my own. Depending on your internet speed, it doesn't work because it's powered by artificial intelligence and also runs on a proxy. Therefore, there's no blocking. That means even if you try 1 million passwords, the account won't be locked or accessed. It's not like it won't work for you, like the days of Not Robot. Okay, well, I wanted to point out the data part so you understand. As you can see, he's constantly adding passwords, and many people are guessing. Of course, at the end of the video, I'll show you how to protect yourself from data type attacks. Because, of course, just as I'm explaining the offensive aspect, we also need to explain the defensive aspect, or how to use it to your advantage. Yes, he'll try, and if someone doesn't get the password, he'll start logging in like we'll see now. Let him run with the load. As you can see, did he actually retrieve the real password and unlock the account? All of this without any intervention from us. He automatically logs into the account. And if we come here like this, Gablack password found we account password. Okay, so we were able to perform a password guessing operation for this account. So how do you protect yourself from this? You have two methods. You activate it. Even if the hacker is able to access this password, they can't. We'll see now if we can try it on another account we're paying for, or two-factor authentication. We'll activate ours. Enter the email. Enter word, list, password, text without a single number to launch Chrome, our browser. Leave it here and download it as soon as it appears. The message containing the email and the word, as you can see, is going to click OK or something. Is he trying it on a second account? Different from the first one, but this account is secure, meaning it has two-factor authentication enabled. Of course, you can do several things, not just enter yes. Yes, for example. Sorry, yes. The message comes to your mobile phone. But no, you can use Google Authenticator with a QR code. There are also several methods. Their names. This is the only way you can protect your account from these attacks, where anyone can guess a large number of passwords on your account, until eventually they reach the real password and are able to log in and create an account. Of course, we'll let him carry all of this. Try about 56 passwords only. I'm using the .password, which is also easy or similar to the second one. The difference is that the second account is not secured by B, but this account is secure by B. Do you notice what's happening now? Or is it starting to get close to the password, which is exactly what we've set up for the account? That's exactly what I think it is. Look, notice with me. As soon as he logs in, he'll be directed to the page of, yes, and that's it. We've finished today's explanation. See you soon in a new video, God willing. If you need anything, contact us via the page messages, and we'll send you the details. Bye.